You will fail this year and not accomplish your goals unless you understand the following principles. And I promise you, at the end of this video, you will understand and succeed with your goals for this year and not fail. You see, every year there's a person we know that sets up goals for the year and is widely telling everybody that they will start eating healthy or go to the gym. But every time it turns out that the same person just stops after a few weeks. And this person might be a family member or yourself. So just stick around until the end of this video and you will not see failure. Principle 1. Don't tell others. Work in silence. In the first moment, this might seem bizarre, but it is a known fact that telling others your goals decreases the likeliness of your goal actually being achieved. Even though you might feel happy or pride about telling others what you want to achieve, it's nothing else than counterproductive. In the exact moment of telling others your goals and them acknowledging them, your brain sprays out dopamine. Your brain starts to think that you already accomplished your goal and wants to move on. This not only kills your motivation instantly, it also leads to failure. Principle 2. Discipline over motivation. At the first glance, motivation is good and impactful. It's like the start of everything you truly want. But sadly, we all know that motivation doesn't last long. It's like a campfire, which starts with a huge flame but ends with little embers. Discipline, on the other hand, is a strong handmade wall, which won't break that easily and will stand for eternity. Discipline lets you accomplish your goals even if your motivation is gone. It's the most valuable thing you can have, and it will be a topic that I will discuss on my channel in the future. If you don't want to miss out on that, then please subscribe to this channel. It would mean a lot to me. Don't get me wrong though, motivation is still a positive thing, but you should not rely on it completely. Once you understand how impactful and important discipline is, it will change your life for the better. Principle 3. Stop thinking, start doing now. A lot of people tend to say something like this.
On the 1st January of 2024, I will quit smoking, I will quit drinking, my life will get better from this point on.
Now I want you to stop on that quote for a few seconds and think about it. Why will this person be one of the 92% which fail with their New Year's resolutions? You see, if you are at a point in life where you realize that you have to change something or create a desire for a specific goal, why don't you start in that exact moment? Why do you make a schedule for a specific day to start with that? You see, this principle goes hand in hand with discipline. Because if you limit yourself to a specific day, then this is the first sign that you should change your attitude. If you are not willing to start working on your goal right now, you probably won't start later either. Instead, you probably will postpone it further and further and, you guess it, you fail. Principle 4. Wrong goal or a too unrealistic goal. This is the last but also extremely important principle. If you set the wrong goal or a too unrealistic goal, even though you are a disciplined or focused person, you might still fail.
If you can't figure out why you keep failing and aren't able to achieve your goal,
maybe your goal is just not the right one. Maybe you even already know the following example, but it's just an excellent example. Imagine a ladder. How will you reach the end of that ladder if your only steps are already too far away to even reach? If your only goal is to be a millionaire, but you are working a normal 9-to-5 job, your goal is pretty unrealistic, isn't it? With that being said, change your goal or create a smaller one. And here you have it, all 4 principles at one glance. And I promise you, if you adhere these principles, you will not fail. And just in case you are wondering, my goal is to spread positivity or inspiration. I want people, and especially you, to realize that they can unlock the best possible version of themselves. and that they can change their life for the better. I am excited to start this journey on YouTube and on my social media, and my goal is that you can say, I succeeded.